What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiffany, and I'm back again with another 50 hour. But yeah, in this video, I'm gonna be doing some little passion twists. This style is so freaking cute to me. But yeah, we use 10 packs of Freetress Water Wave, and she was using colors, I think like T1B30. It had a brown at the end, like an ombre. Then she had a 1B30 where it was mixed, and then she had a solid one. So yeah, but I'm just showing you guys how I separate the hair. I just pull the top and the bottom, and you have to do this to every piece. But later on in the video, I'm gonna start doing it one by one. So I mean, you can. It's better to do it before you start, so you won't have to keep stopping. But yeah, so once I finish separating all the hair, I go ahead and pre-separate, you know, the client's hair or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the twist. So yeah, when I do my twist, I start them off twisting. I split the hair in two, and then with my right hand, I twist that side to the left, and then my left hand, I think I twist that to the left too. Yeah, I twist it all to the left, and then I just twist it together. And I do the top part, that like however long the hair is, I do that like a Senegalese twist, like tight or whatever. But once I get past their hair, a little bit past their hair, I start twisting like, you know, a regular 2-strand twist. And the products that I was using, I used Murray's Edge Wax. I put that on, like, you know, the edge of the braid, I mean the twist. And then when I was just doing a regular 2-hand strand twist, I was using this curling pudding that I got. That just made it really easy to slide down. Like, let me know if y'all want the brand of curling pudding, because I really don't feel like getting up, I'm just gonna be honest with you, to look at it. But yeah, I used that once I got to the end. Then I also use mousse and edge control. And if you want to know what kind of edge control I use, go look at my last video. Not my last video, it's a couple of videos down where I did my edges, and I showed you guys what edge controls I use. But yeah, just twisting. So yeah, for each twist, well, not each twist, but some of the twists I use 2 pieces of the hair, and some of the twists I use 3 pieces. I like mix it around because I was trying to make sure I had enough hair. Plus, I wanted some to be, you know, that was a little mixed in, but I was just really trying to play around with the hair, make it stretch. Alright, so once you're done twisting all the hair up, you put mousse basically over all of it. Well, I put it over all of it. He was telling us good night. But yeah, I put the mousse over all of it, from the root all the way down to the curl. I put it on the root and the little twist, lie down any flyaways in the curl to, you know, curl the curl back up. And do their edges. Make sure them edges is laid, girl. But yeah, y'all, that's about all that I do for my passion twist. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have any inputs, criticism, anything. Just leave a comment down below. And just let me know what you guys thought of this video. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, YouTube.